We also got the first, India's first drone testing center. Drones are there now, but how these drones are certified and tested, that is very important.
Drone na வந்து dynamic remotely operated navigating equipment. என்ன டைரக்ஷன்? கிளாக் வைஸ்ல சுத்தினா 1 ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும், ஆன்டி கிளாக் வைஸ் சுத்தினா 2 ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும். என்ன காப்டர் இது? Quadcopter.
They will rotate up on that architecture. After that, they will land vertically.
Thermometer will also capture the sunlight which is produced by the sensor.
Kalvi International Public School, Devathanapatti, Theni.